Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the classifications of objectives according to Bloom and GAGNE, as well as GAGNE's teaching learning process. Let's dive in. When designing lessons or instructional activities, it is crucial to have well-defined objectives in mind. Objectives guide the teaching process and provide a clear direction for both teachers and learners. They help ensure that desired outcomes are achieved and learning is maximized. One widely used classification of objectives is Bloom's taxonomy, which categorizes objectives into three domains: cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. The cognitive domain focuses on the development of intellectual capabilities. It includes objectives related to knowledge acquisition, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. These objectives aim to enhance learners' thinking skills and their ability to process information effectively. The affective domain, on the other hand, addresses attitudes, motivation, and emotional aspects of learning. Objectives in this domain target learners' ability to receive and respond to information, develop values and beliefs, and organize their thoughts and actions based on these values. Lastly, the psychomotor domain involves the acquisition of technical skills and physical abilities. Objectives in this domain focus on learners' ability to imitate, manipulate, demonstrate precision, articulate movements, and ultimately, perform tasks naturally. Another notable classification of objectives is GAGNE and BRIGGS taxonomy, which expands on Bloom's cognitive domain. It includes objectives related to intellectual skills, cognitive strategies, verbal information, motor skills, and attitudes. This classification provides a more detailed framework for instructional planning and assessment. Additionally, GAGNE's teaching learning process, developed in 1965, outlines a 9-step approach to effective instruction. These steps provide a roadmap for engaging learners and facilitating meaningful learning experiences. The first step is gaining attention, where teachers captivate learners' interest and create a receptive learning environment. The second step involves informing learners of the objectives, setting clear expectations, and establishing a sense of expectancy. The third step focuses on stimulating recall of prior learning, helping learners retrieve and activate relevant knowledge and experiences. This prepares them for the new material to be presented in the lesson. Presenting the stimulus is the fourth step, where teachers carefully select and deliver instructional content, ensuring that learners can perceive and attend to the information effectively. Providing learning guidance is the fifth step, where teachers offer support, explanations, and examples to help learners encode and make sense of the new information. Eliciting performance is the sixth step, where learners actively respond and engage in activities that allow them to apply what they have learned. Providing feedback is the seventh step, offering learners constructive feedback on their performance, reinforcing correct understanding, and addressing misconceptions. Assessing performance is the eighth step, where teachers evaluate learners' progress and understanding, ensuring that learning objectives are met. The final steps, enhancing retention and transfer, focus on helping learners generalize their knowledge, apply it in different contexts, and promote long-term retention. By following GAGNE's teaching learning process, educators can create effective instructional experiences that enhance learning outcomes and engage learners more effectively. Today, we explored the importance of clear objectives in teaching and instructional design. We discussed the classifications of objectives according to Bloom and GAGNE, as well as GAGNE's teaching learning process. Remember, well-defined objectives serve as a roadmap for effective teaching, guiding both teachers and learners towards desired learning outcomes. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more content. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in the future.